Ed from Electric Workforce. We're currently doing a 100 amp meter socket installation. The branch fell. It fell pretty bad, if you guys can see here. Comets lines pretty much gave out when the tree fell. Now the thing is, sometimes these are unexpected fixes, but what we do here in Electric Workforce, we try to give you the best and a comprehensive package. Did call all our inspectors. They did verify with our inspectors and just told them the circumstance. They allowed us to put a meter socket without a disconnect. Most villages do require a disconnect, but he said no, just replace widget for widget. That way they can save thousands. So here in the Electric Workforce, we try to give you the best, but also doing it up to the standard code of the village. So let us know what you think. Alright guys, so got the meter in, gonna be grinding. So we're gonna put the riser going all the way up there. Now would you guys cut the thread out from this or put the weatherhead here? What do you guys do? Cut it or just put the weatherhead? These are not the right channel locks to do this, but what you guys think? Do this in the floor or go up there and do it one by one? I'm going for gold. I'll do the top one and then work my way down. It's a hit or miss. It's like playing basketball. Sometimes you get really hot. Nothing fails. Other times, man, it's not, nothing's right. So we lubed it. Got the wires all the way up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, perfect. So an electrical upgrade, update, a replacement when things go haywire, trees fall down, don't hesitate to give us a call. All right guys, so we finished a 100 amp service outside. It was just a replacement, simple one. Just give you guys some insight. Sometimes customers just want the bare minimum. You know, these are hefty expenditures sometimes, so we just got to make sure we give them what they need, not what we can, you know, throw at them. I know grounding system is very essential, but we'll get them next time and let them know the importance of doing it. But they had a baby, and then the gentleman said he just didn't have the budget to do everything right now. So that's what we do. We give them the bare minimum to keep on going. Life necessity, sometimes our priorities, and sometimes it's not upgrading. So just keep in mind, always call your inspectors, let them know the situation. They empathize with you. If you do things the right way, things will go much better. And the inspector mentioned, look, since it's an emergency call, just replace it widget to widget, so there's no meter disconnect. So that's what we did. Saved them a couple $100 for sure. So just letting you know how we do it here in the Electric Workforce, and we'll see you on the next one.